This is a great recipe that features Thai lemongrass sipping broth as a way to kind of cool down during the summer. What you do is you take one bag of the Thai lemongrass sipping broth and you mix it with 1.5 ounces of any tequila that you want. And while the tequila and the Thai lemongrass kind of marinate together for about 2 minutes, what's happening is the tequila is being infused with all of those savory flavors from the lemongrass and from the other seasonings. I mixed a half an ounce of lime juice, sweetened lime juice is fine, and then a ounce and a half of just regular orange juice, and then finished it and top it off with soda water in a full glass of ice. This is a really simple way of getting a fun drink for the summer.